Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Shasha Laila Amira. I'm 12 years old and I'm from Sekolah Kebangsaan Belimbing Dalam. I'm very excited to share with you an inspiring book with meaning of life and friendships. Let me introduce to you this book that is called Sweet Bean Paste by Durian Sukegawa. This softcover fictional book and non-illustrated page with 216 pages which published in 2017 in Japan. Sweet Bean Paste is a book for your heart, mind, and appetite. It's really moving and inspiring story, which is a heartwarming as a delicious dorayaki. Maybe with a bit of salt. It is not often that a book touches your heart like this one. Let's start with the basics. Sweet Bean Paste follows the life of Sentaro, a middle-aged man who runs a small bakery in Tokyo. His shops sell dorayaki, a traditional Japanese sweet two-soft pancake filled with sweet red bean paste. Sentaro's life is pretty ordinary on the outside. He's quiet, somewhat withdrawn, and seems to go through the motion of his day-to-day routines without much joy. But everything changed when he meets Toku, an elderly woman who offers to help him make the bean paste for his dorayaki. She's just not any person. Toku has a deep mysterious past that she reveals to Sentaro in fragments. She had a difficult life, marked by suffering, and faced the harsh social stigma of having leprosy. Toku's offer to help Sentaro isn't just about her recipe for bean paste. It's about the potential for healing, the opportunity to revive Sentaro's passion and open his heart again. She doesn't just teach him how to make the paste. She offers him to make a new way to look at life and people. What I really love about Sukegawa's storytelling is how much does with so little. The novel has this slow, quiet pace, but every moment is filled with meanings. The interactions between Sentaro and Toku are simple, yet powerful. There's a depth to their conversation, a sense of unspoken understanding between them, and it's all framed through the lens of Toku's wisdom and kindness. Toku's life has been shaped by pain and rejection, but she learned how to experience those into something beautiful. She shows Sentaro that sweetness can come from unexpected place, even from deep pain. In the process, she helped him confront the regrets and the wounds. His love and care transformed not only Sentaro, but also the people around him. The bean paste itself is a symbol throughout the novel. It's not just a feeling for dorayaki. It's become this metaphor for life. It's how the ingredients, though simple, come together to create something wonderful. Toku's recipe for the healing is an art, much like the process of rebuilding one life after hardship. And then there's the theme of imperfection. Toku's leprosy is a central part of the past. It's something that Sentaro struggled with. He initially judged her on base of her appearance, the visible signs of her illness. Yet as he gets to know her, he realized that his greatest beauty lies not in perfection, but in the scar we bear. Toku's life, though filled with suffering, is full of grace. Her ability to love, to nurture, and to offer wisdom, despite her painful, is truly inspiring. But Toko isn't just a wise teacher. She's also a person who faced rejection her entire life. She's been cast aside by society, because of her illness, forced to live on outskirts of life. In a way, her work with Sentaro is a quiet rebellion against the judgments she endured. It as so, making the bin page, she's showing Sentaro that even the most overlooked ingredient, whether it be people, experience, or moments, can come together to create something sweet and healing. This is where the true depth of Sweet Bean Paste lies. It's not just about overcoming personal obstacles, about recognizing that healing can often come from the most unlikely source. For Sentaro, is Toku's recipe. For Toku, is the act of sharing her story and her wisdom and is at the heart. Sweet Bean Paste is a story about redemption. It's about second chance, the unexpected relationship that changed our life, and the quiet joys that can be found when we allow ourselves to be vulnerable and open to others. It's about how even the smaller acts, making a batch of bean paste, like can have a big impact on someone's life. If you want to read a book with an unexpected friendship, meaning of life, heartwarming scene, and with a bittersweet ending, I suggest you to read this book. Thank you for listening to this review. I hope it's inspired you to pick up the book. Until next time, happy reading and have a delicious dorayaki. Goodbye.